Today, I'm excited to walk you through how WPS AI can take your writing and editing to the next level inside WPS Office. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it's honestly a game changer. It has saved me so much time. If you don't have WPS Office installed yet, hit the link in the description to download it so you can follow along with me. Let's get into it. Open up WPS Office and either start a new document or continue with one you've already been working on. At the top of your toolbar, you'll see the WPS AI button. Clicking it opens the AI panel, giving you quick access to all the smart writing tools that can enhance your work. If you want to generate content from scratch, like an email, report, or quick paragraph, type your prompt into the AI box to get instant drafts that save you time. WPS AI will create a draft instantly, and you can fine-tune it or regenerate a new version until it matches exactly what you need. To enhance existing text, highlight the section you want to improve, making it easier for WPS AI to focus on the part you want to upgrade. Choose from tools like Rewrite, Polish, Shorten, Expand, or Grammar Fix inside the AI panel. WPS AI will clean up your writing, strengthen your message, and make everything sound much more professional, saving you a ton of time and effort. You can even ask WPS AI to summarize long sections, build bullet points, shift the tone, or reorganize your content. Simply type what you want, and the AI will handle the rest. And that's all you need to make your documents cleaner, sharper, and more effective with WPS AI. If you haven't installed WPS Office yet, don't worry. Use the link in the description to download it for free and start using all these AI tools right away. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more productivity tutorials. And before you head out, check out our next video, 10 WPS writer tricks you wish you knew. Linked on screen and in the description. Catch you there!